This is my third time playing this. Despite the fact that this is a SpongeBob machine, they still have Paw Patrol. And Paw Patrol is on the top. So if they just filled this the other day, then... Oh, I want that. Huh. Oh my good golly, I got Paw Patrol. Yeah. Got Paw Patrol from the SpongeBob machine, folks. Okay, in 2 seconds, I will have played every toy machine in the game area. This is for Santa. Alpacas, and they're squishy. Hot dang, that's so cool. A blue alpaca squishy. It's so cool. Gotta play the girl machine for various reasons. Even though I like monkeys, my siblings are. And I want a red one. That's a cool looking thing. Looks like the clouds on SpongeBob. You know, this one, where did I put them? I don't even know where I put my money, is for Halloween. Let's do this. Jeez. I got 2. I got an eyeball and a ladybug, and I think I just broke it. I wonder if I didn't need to insert money. Did I get 2 for 1, or did I get 1 for free? And then, I don't know. I always fidget with the machines before you put money into them. You know that. Time to go to timeout for not knowing how to play these dang things. Peace. Almost surpassed this machine. Is it giving me a free? Nope. Ooh, it almost stole my ball. I'm so paranoid. And yes, they turned the lights off in this game. Man, this is the quickest I've ever played. That's the second time this ball didn't come out quick enough. Okay, I've never played this machine yet, so I've played all 4 now, unless it takes my money. So this is for Santa. Sweet. Got a balloon. This is for my Halloween bag. Got another jewelry. Machines are much better than last April, and then I'll play this one. I had to open up my mouth. Oh, okay. You know what? Hey, another bracelet. Sweet. Just wanted to play mind games. Which happens every time. I'm like a fiddle. Okay, I'm gonna play the machine that is good at taking money. Give me something good. Oh, sweet, I got a fidget. I'm so glad I made this the Halloween machine. Too much traffic here. It's hard to talk. I'm at a rest stop. So, that's Santa. And in 2 seconds, I will have played every machine here that gives out toys. Oh, sweet, a fidget. Huh.
Okay, thank you.
I played that one last time, and I got Michael. What's an NFT? No, I'll play this one, the one right next to it, see what I get. Maybe I should film it, actually. Hey, I got Chucky. Do you want to play? Huh.